What's up, YouTube? Welcome to this video. Pretty much in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to open and fund an HFX binary trading account with Videforex. I will also be showing you how to fund an account with a minimum of $250 US. So with that said, the steps and the link to fund your account, also the 250 link, will be dropped in the description box below. But step number one is I'm going to show you guys how to actually open up the account. And then step number two is I'm going to show you how to fund the account. So the first step that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on the link that is in the description box below. And then once you click on that link, it's going to take you to this page where it says open an account. So it's basically self-explanatory. For your name, you're going to put your first name, your surname. Some people don't know what that means. You're going to put your last name. Then you're going to put your area code and your phone number. And then once you put your phone number, then you're going to put your email, and then you're going to create a password. So whenever you guys create your password, I would really make sure you write this down or put it in your notes so that way you guys do not forget it. And then you're going to check the two boxes and you're going to click next. And you're going to leave your account for USD. And then once you click next, then your account will be created. And if there's any pop-ups, just exit out of any pop-ups. If it offers you a bonus or 3 risk-free trades or any of that, just exit out of any pop-ups. And then once you created your account, you're going to have $0 US in it, because now that you created the account, now you're going to need to fund it. So in order to fund your trading account, it's actually very simple. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go right here to the top and you're going to click on where it says account funding. And then once you click on account funding, by the way, guys, if you're on the phone and you don't know where to find that, you're just going to click on the 3 lines at the top right, and then you click on account funding. So then if there's any pop-ups, you just exit out. Then right here, you're going to see a slider where you're going to be able to select how much money you want to start off with. So even though it shows the minimum is $500, as I mentioned earlier, it will still allow you to send 250 due to the special 250 link that is in the description box below. So even if you put 250 here, it auto corrects to 500. That's normal, guys. You don't have to stress about that. There is a 120% chance that it will still allow you to send 250. I've done it multiple times with this link. You guys just really got to make sure that you sign up with the link that is in the description box below, because if you just Google search Videforex and you drag it down to 500 and you try sending 250, I've seen people get in the unfortunate situation where their money actually gets stuck and they have to send more money until it equals 500. So really make sure that you guys do sign up with the link in the description box below so that issue does not happen with you. So if you want to start with 250, you drag it all the way down to the left to 500. To start with 1,000, you drag it up to 1,000, and however much you want to start with. And I always get the question, well, how much money should I start with to fund my trading account? And it is completely up to you guys, but my personal recommendation is I would say the more the better. And if you have $1,000 account and you take a $3 trade and that $3 trade loses, you only lose $3 regardless of how much is in your balance. So you could always control how much you can lose before you even enter the trade or pull out your money whenever. Guys, I would say the more the better, just due to compounding. But of course, you don't want to put your rent money in here or do something that you're uncomfortable with. Just start with something that you're comfortable with. So in this scenario, we'll be doing 250. Then once you select how much you want to start with, then you're going to uncheck the box that says bonus right here. There's a little box. You want to uncheck the box that says bonus. And basically what that is money that the broker gives you. And it doesn't actually let you take the money out until you take a certain amount of trades. So I just recommend that you uncheck the box that says bonus. Then for funding method, I recommend choosing Bitcoin. It's one of the fastest, funding methods. So you're going to click Bitcoin, and then you're going to click this blue button that says fund the account. So once you click fund the account, on the next page is actually going to give you a green Bitcoin address that is all these numbers and letters combined. It's actually this one right here. So that right there is the Bitcoin address. It's the green one. That's all the numbers and letters combined. I'm actually going to highlight it for y'all. So basically what you guys are going to have to do is you're going to have to buy some Bitcoin and send it to that Bitcoin address. And it sounds super confusing, y'all, but there's a lot of ways that you could buy Bitcoin. There's a lot of platforms such as Coinbase, Cash App, etc. Now, the most quick and user-friendly way to buy Bitcoin is going to be Cash App. So I feel like a lot of people watching this video already have that application. But if you guys don't, you guys are really going to go to the App Store and you're going to want to download Cash App on the App Store. And now I'm going to show you guys how to, buy some Bitcoin on Cash App and send it to your trading account on Videforex. I'm actually going to share my screen on my phone, and I'm going to show you guys how to verify your Cash App so that you can actually buy Bitcoin. So right now you guys are looking at my phone screen, and once you download Cash App, this is what the app looks like. You're going to go right here. So in order to verify your Cash App, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the little B icon at the bottom right-hand side. Once you click on the little B icon, you're going to click buy Bitcoin. And this is where you try to buy the Bitcoin. So pretty much the way that it works is it's going to make you verify as you try to buy the Bitcoin. So if you've already verified your Cash App in the past, you actually don't have to verify it because it's already verified. But right here, we'll just try to buy the 250 worth of Bitcoin. Click next. It's going to ask you to enter some information. So you just enter the information. It's also going to ask you to submit a copy of your photo ID or driver's license just to prove that you're 18 or over, because Cash App is a regulated app and you do have to prove that you're 18 or over to buy Bitcoin. So you just submit the information, answer the questions. It should take about 5 to 15 minutes to verify. But I would say it shouldn't really take more than 24 hours, to actually verify your Cash App. So once you verified your Cash App, I'm actually, going to share my other screen and I'm going to show you guys how to buy the Bitcoin and send it to the green Bitcoin address that is right here located on the Videforex. So if, I share my other phone screen, I'm going to show you guys how to buy the Bitcoin. So right here, you go to Cash App once you verified it, then you're going to click on the B at the bottom right-hand side. So once you click on the little B at the bottom right-hand side, then you're going to click on that blue button that says buy Bitcoin right there. Then you're going to click on those three dots. And then once you click on those three dots, you're going to put how much Bitcoin you want to buy. So in this example, we're going to put 260. And we're actually going to buy 10 more dollars because there's always going to be small fees and it could always fluctuate a couple bucks. So I did forget that. So we're going to go ahead and just buy 10 more dollars worth of Bitcoin just, to cover the fees and the fluctuation rate. So I just bought 10 more dollars worth of Bitcoin right now. And you guys can see due to the fluctuation and the small fees, even though I bought 260 right now, I only have 255. I always recommend buying 10 more dollars than what you want to. So if we want to do 250, I just bought 260. So then once you bought the Bitcoin, now what you're going to need to do is you're going to have to send that Bitcoin to your Videforex trading account. So you're going to click on that little blue arrow that looks like a paper airplane once you bought the Bitcoin, and it's going to ask you how much Bitcoin you want to send. So 255 US dollars is what I'm going to put because that's how much Bitcoin I have right now in my wallet. And I'm going to click send. And then it's going to ask me where I want to send it to. And you're simply going to copy paste the green Bitcoin address from the Videforex account. And right here, guys, I already had it copied, so I just pasted it. And you want to make sure you copy paste it exactly. And then you're going to click on where it says external wallet address. Right there, you're going to click on external wallet address. And real quick, guys, before I show you all the next step, really double check that you copy paste it exactly, because if one letter is wrong, your money will be lost forever. So you don't want to try typing it. You always want to copy paste it exactly. So one more time, I'm going to copy paste it in there, external wallet address. Then I click next at the top right-hand side. It's going to ask you to enter your Cash App PIN just to confirm it. And then once you enter your Cash App PIN, you always want to do priority so that your Bitcoin is in your trading account ASAP. So then you're going to go ahead and click next. And then once you go ahead and click next, you're going to click confirm and send. And then once you click confirm and send, it's going to say you initiated a withdrawal. And that right there, guys, is going to be how to buy Bitcoin and send it to your Videforex trading account. It should take about 30 to 60 minutes to actually show up in your trading account balance. I really hope that this video helped out. Drop a like if this video helped you. You guys can feel free to share this video. And, the reason why I post is because, I remember when I started trading, I didn't really have that many people helping me out. And I kind of had to figure everything out on my own. So I really hope that this could help those new people who don't really know where to start, hey, just how to open up your account. And now that you have your account open, some might already be part of academies. You guys want to plug into that. But if you have your account open and you don't really know what the next step is, I'm going to be completely honest. You guys can go out there, trade completely on your own for free. That's me being honest. But the statistics out there is that most people who trade, not just binary, but just stocks, crypto, everything in general, fail. And the reason why is because they don't actually have the proper resources and education to be profitable. My Instagram is also going to be dropped in the description below. You guys can follow me on social media. I have story highlights where I'm actually publicly flipping a live trading account from 500 to 6 figures, and it's already at $60,000 right now. And every single week I do weekly 4-figure withdrawals and I post them on there. So I know there's a lot of hype, but people lie, numbers don't. If you guys want to partner up with someone who has numbers, you guys could always feel free to DM me if you guys have any questions whatsoever. Me and my Instagram will also be dropped in the description box below, as well as the link to sign up with Videforex, and also the steps. If you guys are already on a team, you could just send this video out to your team members. Hopefully that can help them